My name is Milton Devia Manchola. I am a musician. I am from Bochalema, norte de Santander. I live in Castilla La Nueva Meta. I am 36 years old. My favorite sport is the baseball, and my favorite hobby is to travel by car with my family. I live with my wife and my children. I am studying music. My favorite food is the Chinese food, and my favorite TV show is Yo Soy el Sol. My family is made up of my mother, my wife, and my children. My mother is beautiful. She is 69 years old. She is from Cali. She is medium height. Her eyes are green, and she is sweet and lovely. My wife is Jeanette. She is 24 years old, and she is from Barranquilla. She is taller than my mother, and she is thin. Her eyes are brown, and her hair is blonde. She is very lovely too. My older daughter is Sarah. She is 18 years old. She is a student, and his personality is wonderful. She is thin, tall, and beautiful. My medium daughter is Juana. She is less tall than Sarah, and she is very sweet. She is a student. She is from Bucaramanga. My little daughter is Maria Cristina. She is from Cucuta, and she likes the airplanes. She is a student, and she is 12 years old. She has straight, long, and blonde hair. Maria is tall, thin, and very beautiful too. And the smallest in our house is Antonio. He is 3 years old, and he is from Barranca Bermeja.